What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this new tutorial about how do you make $100 or more with ClickBank. So, if you guys don't have a ClickBank account, ClickBank it's in a lot of countries, but there's countries that are not available in with ClickBank. And at the end of the video, I'll be showing you more marketplace that you can join. So stick around with the entire video. Um, before you start, after you sign up, very simple. You go to ClickBank and you enter your details, your email, and all your information, your address. Then once you finish with that, then you'll go to the marketplace. You click marketplace, and then you'll end up here. There's two ways that you can find a product. Either if you are in the niche of e-business or investing, or in the health and fitness. For me, I'm in the e-learning, so that's what I do. And I could either click here or I could check the best products that are being promoted with ClickBank now, which is clicking on this search button. Once you click that, then it will show a results that the most um, products that are being promoted a lot. So for now, there's a new product that I've never seen, which is research the Godzilla offer. So I should consider this offer because 500 to 520 25 people are promoting this, and the average sale is $100. So what I could do is I could click here and sign up because I'm not still signed up for this, and you can enter your ID and tracking ID and generate your hub links and start promoting. But before that, you should also consider checking what is the product, understand it, and why do you think it's a good fit for you, and like watch the videos and see all the things that are with the product. Okay. The other thing you should be considering to do is you should never run direct trafficking with this. You should always consider building a funnel, which in this video I'll be building a funnel from scratch with you guys, and entering my emails and autoresponder and everything. So yeah, and the other and then before we end the video, we'll be showing you three ways that you could promote your ClickBank's offer, or the paid one. So first, let's build a funnel. We click build a funnel, and also, guys, if you are interested in getting the funnel that I'm gonna build now, I'll link the funnel in the description below. You can sign up with ClickFunnels 14 days free trial using the link down below. It's 100% free for 14 days free trial. Okay, let's name our funnel. For this, we will be I'm gonna change the product because I need to make a lot of research of this product. Then before that, I will be promoting another product. Let me go with a business. Mm, all right, Commission Hero. I've been promoting this a lot. It's very good. It has really high CPA and very nice to use product. You should always submit your stuff here, and I'll submit it and then I'll be back. Okay. All right. Now we are in the Commission Hero, and we are good to start. If you're new with this, you should always consider watching the video that um, before promoting this, and read everything. Don't just blindly promote and if you are promoting with Facebook, which stay tuned for the next video. I'll be also telling you guys how do you promote this product with Facebook. You should consider downloading these videos, and for YouTube, you should consider downloading these videos as well. And yeah, so the copies, everything are here. Facebook targeting, they will tell you everything, and also the detailed targeting. Yes, so and swipes landing page. Okay, so I should we can use these funnels that they are already built, which is very good. I should also um, add this funnel here. All right, the funnel has been imported. No, not this one. All right, you should click here. Okay, so before we edit the funnel, we should also check how it looks like. So this is the funnel that you will be able to see, um, that you can drive traffic to it, and that's pretty much it. So what we are going to do, we're going to click edit the page, and we should uh, connect our get response. We should connect our get response here so that we can collect these email leads here. So first thing what we need to do is we go to the account settings, and then we should go to the integration, and then we should click add new integration. If you are with GetResponse or Aweber, um, I personally use both of them. I use GetResponse for my affiliate marketing business, and Aweber for other stuff. Yeah, so you should get your integration. So I'll be finishing this and be back. Okay. All right. Once we have got our GetResponse integration linked, then the email has been integrated. Then we will be going here, clicking general, and we'll be getting our affiliate link from here. Okay, we've got our affiliate link. We're posting it here, and then that's pretty much it. Once someone enter their email and they click claim, once they click here, then they will be going with they will be added into your list. Then they will be going to the affiliate link. So we click save. That's pretty much it. I'll be leaving this funnel and the other funnel that I have in the description, in the comment below, in the first of the comment and in the description, so you can try it out. The other way which it's very good to use is that I use Click Magic, which is really good software that tracks audio links, and this will be very good if you're using Bing ads or Google ads. Also, it's good if you're using Udemy, which is by far the best way you can drive traffic to your offers. If you are not familiar with how do you drive traffic with Facebook ads and Google ads. Facebook and Google ads can be expensive if you are not familiar with what you're doing, and that's why Udemy is the best way. You could come here and choose um, anyone who has a really good list. And how do you indicate that, or how do you know that? It's first you'll be go and checking the percentage of sales. Like the users has the person has 30% or above, that's good. Also 20% and above, that's also good. And you should also consider repeat buyers. So if percentage of the repeat buyers at 14%, that is very good. And the other thing is you should always consider starting with minimum 300 so that you know like you could convert your sales. And the other thing that you should also consider is never think about money on the start. You should always build your list. That's what they say. Money is in the list. If you drive 300 traffic to your list and you had around, usually it comes between 40% to 50% opt-in rate, and then you should all like a monthly you should always consider buying 300 or something like that, and grow your traffic, grow your list from zero to maybe a couple of thousands within a couple of months. If you put in aside of a couple of hundreds aside and getting building your list, because the list you're building, you can convert it every single time, like promote more products. But if you're doing direct traffic with Google Ads or something like that, it will never be a good way. um, Okay, so now that you guys know how to run the traffic, which is the free ads, free solo, I mean the solo ads. Now we'll be going telling you guys how do you do free, how do you do free um, ads. This is my blog. You can either do with blog writing and write about ClickFunnels or write about other programs or softwares like with ClickBank or JVZoo, or you could also consider um, doing this, which is going to Google and clicking alert. Okay, I mean Google alert. Once you come to Google alert, you should write keywords for things that you want to get an alert for. For example, we want to get alert of affiliate marketing. All right, then create alerts for that, and you keep writing more digital marketing or maybe ClickFunnels if you are promoter of ClickFunnels, and all these products that you should write. And then once there's a new article comes in, you get an alert for that. Then the first comment that comes in, you should make a post about it. For example, let's go to my blog post, and there's a couple of people that are writing um, comments on and they're getting ranked for getting, also they're getting backlinks from. For example, let's go to the knowledge broker blueprint. If you guys are interested in checking my blog, I'll leave it down in the description so you can also check it out. Um, okay, so not this one. Right. So, for example, this guy here have made a post. Which he wrote a good feedback, and I approved it. But if you check his link, it directs him to his website. That's another thing to do. Never, ever um, self promote yourself in a comment. Instead, provide a value and add your offer here. Or maybe if you are promoting the commission hero, put in the commission on the Google alert about a commission hero, and any articles that comes in, say good stuff about it and add into your website your affiliate link. That's how you could also get free money. And the other way, which is also a good way, which is Quora. What you have to do with this is come into Quora and answer questions related to your niche or related to what you're promoting. If you're promoting affiliate marketing, then you should consider about um, answering questions that is related to affiliate marketing. Okay, and then That's how people will be able to see you. um, yes, so that's how you should always consider doing. How do you get free traffic to your offers? um, if you guys want to try Udemy, I'll leave a link below where you can get free $5, and you also get a message from me, more tips about how do you drive traffic. If you guys also interested in Getresponse, I'll leave 30 days free trial with Getresponse down in the description. And for Click Magic, also I'll be leaving 30 days free trial with Click Magic down in the description. Don't forget to also get the 14 days free trial and the free the funnel that I built here for you guys down also in the description. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next.